Welcome all. I am going to take about the similarities and difference between social casework and psychotherapy. The term social casework and psychotherapy are often understood by many as a same and used often interchangeably. This is basically because these two terms deal with mostly individuals in need. These two terms have some elements of similarities, but they are very much different from each other. What is social casework? I'm going to the definition of social casework. According to Mary Richmond, social casework may be defined as the art of doing different things with different people, cooperating with them to achieve some of their own and society's betterment. Meaning of social casework. Social casework is a primary method of social work. It is concerned with the adjustment and development of individuals towards more satisfying relations in different situations. It follows a systematic approach to study and diagnose the client's problem. What is psychotherapy? Definition of psychotherapy. According to Lego, is a method of treatment based on the development of intimate relationship between client and therapist for the purpose of exploring and modifying the client behavior in a satisfying direction. The meaning of psychotherapy. Psychotherapy refers to a range of treatments that can help with the mental health problems, emotion challenges, and some psychiatric disorders. Psychotherapy is a collaborative treatment based on the relationship between an individual and a psychologist. I hope you understood about what is social casework and psychotherapy. These two terms have some elements of similarities, but they are much different from each other. Going to the first one, similarities between casework and psychotherapy. First one, it helps individuals who come with emotional problems and painful situations. It means both casework and psychotherapy help individuals who come with emotional problems and painful situations. Next one is both makes efforts to put the clients at the ease to express the freely. It means both approaches make efforts to put the client at ease and create an environment for him or her to express his or her feelings freely. Next one is both share the same values. It means they share the same values of individuality, dignity of human person, and respect for the client. Next, they both make use of interview as a technique in the therapeutic process. Next, belief in the self-determination of the client. It means both casework and psychotherapy believes in the client's right to self-determination. Next one is gives importance to the things which influence the client's thoughts, feelings, and behavior. It means these two approaches recognize the role of emotional and preconscious or unconscious process at the work in the clients which influence the client's thoughts, feelings, and behavior. Going to the difference between casework and psychotherapy. The first one is psychotherapy is a long-term process and casework is a short-term process. It means psychotherapy entails a long-term process of intervention that identifies emotional issues and the background to problems and difficulties, whereas casework consists of short-term process characterized by specific goals, planned intervention strategies, and a time frame. Second one is psychotherapy deals with psychological problems, whereas casework deals with psychosocial problems of individuals. It means psychotherapy helps people with psychological problems that have built up over long years. Casework is mostly interested in the psychosocial problems of individuals. The third one is psychotherapy restructures the personality of an individual, but casework brings changes in the individuals or the environment or both. It means the objective of psychotherapy are to bring about the change in the attitude and behavior of the individual by restructuring his or her personality, but casework aims at the enabling change in the individual or in the environment or both. Sometimes the change in the environment is specifically directed to affect change in the individual of effective social functioning. The fourth one is social casework, preconscious material, unconscious material, and psychotherapy. It means interpretation of individuals' experience, thoughts, and feelings is common to both psychotherapy and casework. But in casework, it is the preconscious material and that is interpreted, and in psychotherapy, it is the unconscious material. Conclusion: the casework process and situation let me understand the complexity involved in social life. It does not only act as a helping relationship for the client but the social worker as well. Overall, the feelings of being able to help someone in the field gives me immense satisfaction. However, psychotherapy entails a long-term process of intervention that identifies emotional issues and the background to problems and difficulties, whereas casework consists of short-term process characterized by specific goals, planned intervention strategies, and a specific time frame. Thank you.